Everybody, Colleen here from Feel Great Reflexology and Massage Cupping. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an Epsom salts compress. I have a glass bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of Epsom salts, and I have 1 cup of water and my trusty piece of cloth that is going to be acting as a compress. So let's get started. Let's start off by pouring 1 cup of water into my bowl and the 2 tablespoons of Epsom salts, and then I'm going to stir it around and I'm going to let it dissolve, and it may take a few minutes. Sometimes it dissolves better if you've got warm water or hot water, but be mindful that the water is not too hot because you're going to want to place this compress on a body part that requires a little bit of TLC, and you don't want to burn yourself. So now that I've stirred in my Epsom salts, I notice it's starting to dissolve a little bit, but not all the way. So I'm going to wait a little bit before immersing my cloth in it. So the reason why I like to use this is because I may not have time to do a full Epsom salts bath, and it might be my foot that's hurting, and this is an easy way for me to just take care of my feet. It's an easy way for me to have a compress that will pull out any pain, pull out any inflammation. Sometimes if you've been on your feet all day, they get swollen. Unfortunately, it's not a fun thing to happen, but by using a compress, it will easily draw out the swelling, and you can still lay down, because if you've got trusty plastic wrap, you can wrap it around your compress and save your bedding and not get your bedding all wet or not wet the carpet up. So it's a wonderful thing to do. My Epsom salts has dissolved, yes. So I am now going to immerse my cloth in the water that's got Epsom salts in it, and just going to squeeze the Epsom salts water out a little bit, and I'm going to place the compress around my foot. I've actually been doing a lot of walking these days. Summertime, and I'm trying to get out and trying to get some more exercise in, and my feet get a little swollen from time to time. The heat of the summer weather kind of gets my feet swollen. So notice how I simply just wrapped it around my toes, because that's really what swells up on me when I walk for too long. And now I'm just putting some plastic wrap around the cloth that's been soaked in Epsom salts. And I did that because I want to save my furniture and carpet from getting soaked. And it's a great way for me to still do stuff around the house while trying to, take care of my feet, give my feet some TLC. So that's how simple it is. I'll leave this on for a good 20 minutes to 30 minutes. If I even wanted to take a little nap with it on, I could do that and not have any issues, because I'd be well cared for. And then once I've finished the 20-30 minutes, I can take the plastic wrap off and just dry my feet, and I'm good to go. And my feet will feel great. So it's just a nice tip, nice trick for you. I hope you'll try it. If you do, please let me know, comment below. And remember to please subscribe. I love hearing from you. And remember to share my channel with friends or family members that would benefit from a lot of these great tips. I love helping others, and I hope you will too. Have a great day. Bye, everybody. Hi everybody, Colleen here from Feel Great Reflexology and Massage Cupping. Today I'm going to be taking you through an Epsom salts foot bath journey starring my lovely daughter, Michaela.
Hi everyone, my name is Michaela. For those of you who don't know me, I'm lucky enough to be able to take over this video. So we're going to be talking about Epsom salts baths. They're probably one of my favorite things to do, and something my mom actually doesn't have to hassle me about because I really enjoy doing them. So because I already poured the Epsom salts in, what you'll do is you'll get about half a cup of Epsom salts and you'll pour it into your water. What's really nice is that you control the temperature of the water. So if you want it hot, go ahead. If you want it lukewarm, go ahead. You control the temperature. And so you pour about half of the cup into your foot bath, and you mix the Epsom salts and make sure they dissolve really nicely. First of all, because when you put your feet in on the chunky salt, it doesn't really feel that great. And second of all, I like to know that it's dissolved so I can absolutely ensure that the Epsom salts are doing what they're supposed to do. So one of the really great benefits is after a really long walk, my feet tend to swell, and I also have what I like to call like athlete's feet, not athlete's foot like the fungus thing, but athlete's feet. So I have a lot of calluses on my toes and just on my heels, so soaking them in the Epsom salts actually helps to smooth them out. And what's really nice is that it's really good for your skin, so like even bathing and stuff, it helps to clean the skin. It also helps to just moisturize your body, so I really like that when I put my feet in here, I know that I don't have to really worry as much. It restores elasticity in the skin. And another thing that I truly enjoy is that it treats post-workout swelling. Especially, I don't know, but for me, my feet tend to throb. So when I put them in the cooler water, it helps to ease that throbbing and any pain or weird sensations that I get in my toes. And so I really enjoy this. And it's nice because you're able to do it. You can do it with your family. You can do it alone. You can do it while you're watching TV and unwinding for the day, or even just reading and relaxing. So it's very versatile. It's easy to do. And I mean, if I can do it as a young adult, anybody can do it. So I just want to thank you for letting me take over the channel today and talking about Epsom salts and foot soaks. I know it's exciting. Please, please, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel because you will benefit from it. Send it to your friends, your family, anybody you can think of who would benefit from this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.